Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. As the weather warms up, it's not just adventures that await you outside. Mosquitoes are also making their seasonal return. Unfortunately, mosquitoes are more than just a nuisance. They can also transmit dangerous diseases such as Zika, West Nile, and canine heartworm. Last year alone, Austin-Travis County reported 6 positive West Nile mosquito pulls. Here are a few tips to protect you and your loved ones from mosquitoes and prevent any bites and diseases.
Hey, it's Aaron with Austin Public Health's Environmental Vector Control Unit. Are you having a problem with mosquitoes in your area? It's important to remember the 4 Ds. Drain any standing water, wear a product that has DEET, stay inside during dawn and dusk, and dress appropriately for the occasion.
For more information, visit austintexas.gov/mosquito. May is Building Safety Month. It's part of an international campaign, and this year's theme is It Starts With You. The theme highlights how building safety starts at home. Throughout the month, the Development Services Department, along with other city departments, have been raising awareness about what we can do to make sure Austin has safe, sustainable buildings and how city building codes are important for the safety of all residents. For tips on how to prevent accidents and avoid other hazards, check out buildingsafetymonth.org. Last week, city and community leaders gathered at City Hall for the 7th annual Student Innovation Showcase. This annual event celebrates students in grades K through 12 who are working to tackle climate change and improve climate resilience. The projects were designed and executed by 14 impressive student groups from across the Austin area. These groups identified sustainability issues in their communities and designed solutions to help address them, such as improving school gardens, adding water conservation features, and promoting sustainable transportation options, such as biking to school.
I find when I go talk about things related to the climate, it can get kind of depressing. There's sort of this, people have this, there's no hope. And my suggestion to them is to spend about 5 minutes with these kids, and you'll find out that, our future is in wonderful hands. So.
To learn more about this and other sustainability programs at the city, visit austintexas.gov/sustainability. With more than 1 million calls received every year, Austin 311 is the city's information center and main point of contact for non-emergency related calls. This next segment provides insight into the sidewalk repair service request.
Let's get ready for summer. A helpful service request for May is the sidewalk repair service request. This service request is used to report issues with cracked, raised, and sinking sidewalks. You can also submit a service request for any sidewalk that has tree root damage. The Public Works Department will review the service request and any hazardous situations will be made safe. If you need to report sidewalk issues along toll roads, you can contact TxDOT at 512-832-7000. Let's make Austin better together. Back to you.
For 46 years, some of the wittiest have been gathering to tell their punniest puns in the capital city.
While you stare at me like animals in Zeus, the Aries getting thick as your doubt casts Apollo over the crowd.
This year's O. Henry Penoff recently took place, and although it wasn't in its usual spot at Brush Square, the crowd turned out to have their funny bones tickled. Punsters from all around the globe gave this spoken word art form their best shot, and all for a good laugh.
As I walked into the dairy aisle, I thought to myself, I think I could utter a few puns, really milk it for all that it's worth. And you better believe that I found inspiration with very little margarine for error.
I was in bad shape, felt like I was in prism. As much as I triangling for better, I saw sleazy guys. Brain, are you cylinder? Sphere, are you? I was under their spell, but now that hexagon. You're different, and I have division to know that we're in our prime. I am very able.
That's it for this week's City View. Thank you for watching, Austin. Be sure to catch up on all of the latest information on atxn.tv, our social media channels, and on our webpage, austintexas.gov. Stay well, Austin.